Top stories. Students boycott Republic Day. NESO calls on to Chief Minister in Bahrain urges him condemn CA bill. Integrated check post still incomplete. Numbers of workers lesser than earlier days. And lawyers, human rights activists and journalists come together demanding release of Kishore Chandra from jail. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. The news read by HARIPRIYARI, and now let's have the news in details. Student organizations, civil bodies along with the people protested against the Citizenship Amendment Bill passed in Lok Sabha on January 8 last. AMSU, MSF, JASAM, AIMS, SUK and KSA called a public meeting at the Centenary Hall of Manipur University today. Those who attended the meeting emphasized on impact of the bill on the people of Northeast and the perspective of government on the matter. The speaker at the meeting urged the state government to call special assembly sitting against the bill and appeal the people to come together against the bill. Volunteers of 5 student organizations SSCUM, RSF, MSAD, MPSUM, and AMMSO jointly launched protests against the bill today. All marketplaces, including Kwairaban Keitel, held a sit-in protest. Sit-in protests were held at Yaripo Keitel, Thaubal Keitel, Kakching Keitel, Wangoi Keitel, Bishnupur Keitel, Moirang Keitel, Kwakta Keitel, Lilong Keitel, and Hatta. Also at different places such as at Kesampat Hodam Lerak, Kesampat Thokchom Lekai, Konung Mamang, Tera Thangapat Mapal, Pisum Keitel, and Kawab Bazar. Protesters urged that government to take stand against the bill and that the bill can't be implemented in the state.
Bangladesh, Pakistan, Chanariba, Buddha Dharma, Jaina Dharma, Hindu Dharma, Hariba, Mi Masing Langam Draba, Lakyasina, India, the Sangatana, Indiagi citizen, Oikrabamatamda, Akwegi Awang Pokala Riba, Sota, Akwegi, Iramdam, Maruina, Pikraba Manipulam Damasida, Asukemasik. Yellow Misia, Mutkibatare, Habegi Wakalon, that Quina Palm, the Habegi the Maktakwegi, Villasa, Sanahan Bigano, Habegi the Maktakwina, Apunba, Katil, Apumana Quina, Nipamaze, Pamivan.
Akui Haribilasi, Sanavaya, we don't talk Tagodani Habaseko, Amatangareva, Akui Amatangareva, Kongzangi, Amatanga, Coloni Masita, Atopa, Amata, compromise over Leroy, Aduga, Hariba, Bilasi, Asigama, Labor, MBLA, Mantri. Any Mio Ocean Masia Quina, Manipur, Mighty Lehin, Madu Lehin Begimatam, Natrapoi, Mutalasi, Habaseko, Coloni.
A team of representatives of NESO, led by its General Sinam Prakash, met CM in Bahrain to make him aware of their decision on Citizenship Amendment Bill and also urged the government to take a stand on the matter. After speaking with CM for more than 4 hours at CM Bungalow, Prakash said that he told the CM that the bill can't be implemented in the state. The CM also assured that the bill can't be implemented unless it has a clause to save the indigenous people. Further, he, on behalf of NESO, appealed to Chief Minister of Northeast States to oppose the bill in the meeting of Northeast Chief Minister with Home Minister Rajnath Singh on January 22. He also urged the Chief Minister to oppose the bill when it is brought to Rajya Sabha for discussion.
Coming 31st Parliament session Hogduni, Maduda bill passed the Bibi, possibility of Sangalay, Adana Matamay, Germany, Aduma, and the day 22 coming. Day 22 notice the Labour Minister Panamaka last Naga Unagi, Adugi, meeting of a Labani, Adugi meeting to the meeting of a Labanina, Maduka Mail and so now, never see Naraga, Megali CM, Israel CM, and Boli stand over the minor, who is stand of you.
Ramlal Pol Higher Secondary School has also announced to boycott the upcoming Republic Day celebration after the students' unions of the educational institutions like Johnston Higher Secondary School and CC Higher Secondary School. School made a decision to boycott the celebration in a press conference held on the campus of Ram Lalpol Higher Secondary School today. Former Debate and Extension Secretary of the school, Kelvin Huidrom, said that the decision is made in support of the Joint Student Union, and he also appealed to the students of government and private educational institutions not to participate in the Republic Day celebration.
Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 asi mayok te yaning da oina handak lari ba January tang 16 ta pangthokadaba Republic Day celebration asida akoi government gi education director lagi akoi gi mass part kan jena mo oina thokna bagi chepi da abasu akoi dugi mayok te yaning da oina against the government da akoi ngasi mass part asi akoi to ai na myam da yaujara roi haina myam da sindok sabani haibidi Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 haibidi kasunate 1995 da sanage ba Citizen Act adugi semtorok pa bill ne hai Lakturibase Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh ay lakpa misingji. Dugi matik yame. Aduna lakturibase North East first attempt torokani aduna North East ki Manipur gomba pick level fruit lay ba malam asida di akoy fruit asi kan bagi mathau do tare hujik matam asi haibidi akoy na hujik school da phamdan tumin lay bagi matam adu oiraktre haibidi akoy na jiri bam do hujik ma atopa mitop na board ka dun lay sukoi kya khang dun tumin yeng dun la e hujik ti adugi matam do hele akoy myam punna ama to oina sangjan bagi khungjang matam do yore aduna Kaigumba government na akoi nang asi chataba sida kaigumba thorokpa thingakpa taragadi chatlun namdana force tokpa ta akoi changjelakpa khongjang kaya da akoi ama to oina sela kani haidi akoi government school taruk punduna ngarang akoi press meet phangre adu akoi yoro haijagi hore adu kaigumba government na hirak tagadi school amek da force tokselakpa taragadi school amna soibi da akoi isama ka thokpani haina akoi lagjagani akoi apun boina akoi school ni pa da amek ka thokpa da akoi school ji sai sai school ni handuna akoi khongjang kya changjelakani
NEIDP has made a decision to form a Northeast League and approach the Supreme Court just in case the controversial CA Bill 2016 is turned into an egg. In a press meet held at the office of NEIDP, Vice President of the party, Sapam Kunjikeshwar, said the party is all set to egg according to half decision of the Rajya Sabha.
The language state is a Punsala with Dili, the Chalacamasi, among the Sentova, the Kala, Nangeri, Vaishu, Manipur, Kani, notice just Kani Hargaditas in a way, Tarapuya.
Indigenous Peoples Association of Kangleipak, IPAK, launched its annual calendar and diary at its office at Kesampa today, where it was attended by President of IPAK M. Babulin Kuman, Advisor Maniha Thaudam, and its General Secretary Prem Pebam. The newly launched calendar highlighted the census of both indigenous population and outsider. It also conveys a message on protecting the territorial integrity of the state. Addressing the event, Prem Pebam said the total population of Manipur is around 28 lakhs, with only about 10 lakhs indigenous people. The outsiders have clearly outnumbered the indigenous people of the state. He added, saying that the CA bill passed in the Lok Sabha is an attempt to root out the indigenous people living in the state and other northeastern states. As such, all the 60 MLAs of the state should stand strongly against the controversial bill.
Diary amadi calendar have the koi muevi schedule amari leinaba adungo pochaka makal oibada natna masina akoi tongan ba akoi business amadi sai sagi tawriba sinfam mayam khakta engagement tawsi akoina diary amadi akoina calendar si koin mafam saba yamna akoi sagi schedule yamna chinba mioi singa mari leina halaga masidaida अखोई डायरी में कैलेंडर जिना कई मुखर मतें क्वांग ngamgadra haibagi madugi theme loinana ngasi khoi ipak hana oidringaida matam amada khoina manipurda friends haina hairiba mingthonsi oihalamaga 2005 tagi linkhalakpa ngasi gi organization ngasi 2019 lisang sitna ngasi khoi sei taraga mari chopna khoi ngasi linkhalakpa organization sina ngasi khoi diary madi khoi calendar asi koi lebak miam da koi gari message karaga mase koi ni hon mangam bagi kudong sa basima laujaraga manipur gi people sing da kai message khardang afaba mong da miye bagi koi tongan ba isagi oiba concept amadi thinking khajik tang oi ga jo khoina hongdok pa ngam ga da mawong da khoina diary sida khoina represent tawjaraga.
The construction work of the integrated checkpost ICP in Moreh, which was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his recent visit to the state on 4th of this month, are still not completed to a large extent. Mainly, the 3-story cargo terminal building is still in the same old condition, as only the front part of the building was painted for the inauguration. The building also lacked windows and doors at the back part. Nothing was done in the backyard of the building, and number of workers is lesser these days as compared to earlier days. There is no infrastructure on the ground floor, and the washrooms are also not constructed properly. The construction work on the 2nd and 3rd floor of the building has not even started. Moreover, there are no computers and other items required for work purpose by the immigration officials who have started their work process. However, it is said that the basic items were bought already, and due to lack of wiring work, it is not being functioning. As of now, the immigration officers of the police and custom department are checking the passport manually. And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
Hello Kids Clubhouse Play School. Play smart, grow smart. Admissions open for 2019 sessions for playgroup, nursery, LKG, UKG at affordable fee structure. It follows playway and Montessori teaching by well-trained teachers with the help of audio-visual medium and regular activities to enhance creativity. It provides midday meal and transportation facilities. For more detail, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse 700-5172-365 or 9612-719050.
Welcome to Aryan Furniture House. Manipur Sajaba quality maintain Toraba Makal Kayagi furniture items sing suna fanganjari. Adongi apamba makhalgi furniture items sing khanbiyu lengsin birau Aryan Furniture House Hata Minuthong.
Mahindra Tractor Showroom na monsoon season lakada monsoon offer pijiri. India da Saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder. Akak naba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta niyam da phanganjari. Ho sangbay matakpada electric prepaid ta supnataki lupa ni makai maijai besan morok yangang marumarang hawai makhal sul takpaya grinder su fangbiragani. Rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awab leitraba yumgi sangoi kasin amada hillaga isana adum phau takchaba yaraba cheng wai manghandraba cheng khainadraba Annapurna domestic rice mill ni. Akupa marol gidamak link sinbirau Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazaar pijariba offer price ki khudong saba simyamna lawbiho akak naba matam khara khaktani.
Matalgi sasenaba products singdagi cheksinbiyu. Kanglaipak Spices Industry na puthokpa Machalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amata leizade. KSI na puthokpa Machalgi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglaipak Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiyu. Amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiyu. Lalamung makong takhilamam lekai Rims Road Factory Thangwaiban Sinam lekai haina thari basin taba atopa amata Machalgi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhanba singdagi cheksinbiyu. Hena kupa marol khangnaba lengsinbirau Machal Kanglaipak Spices Industry Lalamung makong takhilamam lekai Rims Road Factory Thangmiban Sinam lekai near Lamphel Lampak natraga logon tobiyu www.machalspices.com or Facebook/machalspices natraga email tobirau info@machalspices.com.
Welcome back. Journalists, lawyers and human rights come together in a show strength and solidarity to demand the immediate release of journalist Kishore Chandra Wankhim, incarcerated under the National Security NSA and dropping of all charges against him in response to dire need to respond to the grave and growing challenges to the exercise of the right to freedom of expression and the right to dissent in Manipur. Representatives of JSCC, Desam, AIM, MUSU and MSAD also joined the deliberation to discuss the setting up of a broad-based network to defend freedom of expression. Talking to media person, advocate of Supreme Court of India, Sriji Bhavsar said the detention of Kishore Chandra under NHA is a violation of the fundamental right to freedom of expression and recess under Article 19(1)(a) under the Constitution of India. He strongly condemned Kishore Chandra detention and stand in solidarity with his family.
We are here in support and solidarity of not only Kishore Chandra but all the defenders, to defend the right of the defenders and to protect the right to protest. We are here and we are contesting the case of Kishore Chandra. We have moved an application, petition of habeas corpus challenging illegal detention of Kishore Chandra in High Court of Manipur. The Honorable High Court of Manipur has issued notice and to the state, and now the matter is listed on 4th of February 2019. We have full faith in the courts, in the judiciary, that he will be out soon, and the
tolerance of dissenting views and opinions, however unpalatable they might be, is a sign of a mature democracy. Clamping down on the right to speech and slapping off disproportionate criminal charges do not bode well for the country in an election year, said Lakshmi Muthi, a journalist based in Bangalore.
Kishore Chandra who has been slapped with the NSA, which we think is a disproportionately high price to pay for freedom of expression. Extremely draconian law, which is unnecessary, and there's absolutely no threat of him, waging a war against the state or any anti-national attitude.
On the other hand, Director of Human Rights Alert said detaining Kishore Chandra under the draconian NSA for 1 year soon after he was released on bail by the Chief Judicial Magistrate in violation of fundamental right to freedom and undermining rule of law. It is also instilling fear in young Manipuris in speaking against what they perceive as a systematic and diabolic push to restore their history and to ultimately obliterate their distinct identity.
Social media is also a lu report social media is repression se chuki matik hengadakba aduga mayam se loina mak chumna da kano to budana tana freedom of expression da tana surveillance yu is sinarakba aduga kano sing says the media social media sing the corporate achogna control to boni and corporate achog sing siga sarkar ga manaraga mi sing si freedom hengadhan bid lai freedom je sum curtail torokpa surveillance yu is sinarakba tam says the Masigi anong medium says the New freedom of expression say Mabuk in the power of a Kalibu say the mind of the expressed on the Yani at the mind of the
Later, a discussion on shortcoming faced by journalists and saving the rights to freedom was also held along with the experts.
Like 4 or 5 years of trial for that. Who will?
We must try to preserve our rich culture and tradition, like traditional customs, food habit and good manners, for which people from outside the state respect us, and we should also try to follow the teachings of Ima Imoinu, said Health Minister L. Jayantikumar. He was attending a 2-day celebration on Ima Imoinu Irat Thaunis organized by Imoinu Evergreen Society, Barak Valley at Sribar Kontholekai in Lakhipur subdivision. Minister L. Jayantikumar also donated a sum of 1.5 lakh rupees to the organizers while assuring support from the government in organizing the event on a much larger scale in future. Cultural dance item were the main highlights of the celebration. Later, the minister also paid an inspection visit to various developmental projects taken up by the state government at different locations in Jiribam districts.
Agriculture department ki makha lakoi purupung amamakal agriculture crop yam supuraga madugi mayam gi laiting oinaba entertainment program
Manipur Police has beefed up security measures ahead of Republic Day celebrations across the state to avoid unwanted incidents. Manipur Police Commandos and elite force of the state have intensified round-the-clock patrolling in and around the core area of the capital. A team of Imphal East Commando Women Police of Porompat Police Station, led by Deputy SP CDO KS Herojit and SDPO of Lamlai Johnny, conducted master strike at Kurai Nandai Bamlekai in Salanthong area under the jurisdiction of Porompat Police Station. The operation was conducted under the supervision of additional SP Operation M. Kumarjit. Altogether, 244 persons, including 120 males and 124 females, were verified, while 4 persons were picked up for further verification. The operation was conducted from 5:30 till 7 this morning. Deputy SP CDO KH Herozit said search operation will continue in other parts of the state for smooth Republic Day celebrations.
Verify to the process is makha chathari. Hoi mi amani hoi valid ID yaudaba hoi pick up tawjare masi makha taba verification gi damakta hoi Porompat PS ta sinajagini. Hoi lagliba Republic Day ge mai lenana sumba thabak se hoi makha tana atopa district hoi gi district ki atopa jaga singdasu tatana sathagini.
On the other hand, Imphal West CDO and a team of Imphal Police also conducted master's operation led by Deputy SP CDO Rojit Irom at Yaskul Police Lane in Imphal West District. In all, 35 houses were searched, while 210 persons were verified during the search operation conducted from 5:50 till 6:40 early this morning. However, no pickup has been reported. Additional SP OPS TS Krishna Tombi said the search operation was conducted to counter insurgency, not only to ensure smooth celebration on Republic Day.
Improvised explosive device gumba adagi masagi saktak che yaudaba gumba sumo mayam jingje adagi gun license pai daba jing leibra na check to bonita
langol swagi area sigoi
mane
26 January is a Mari Lane boy.
Quick it about countenance operation day, quick commando game, a quick area jaga, Napazini. Adugi wa have to night.
Similar operation was conducted in and around Thangal Bazaar, Haukeithel, Rup Mahal Theatre and Alugali by a team of Imphal West CDO Bazaar Unit and Women Police under the supervision of Deputy SP CDO Amit Kumar Moirang team. The operation was conducted from 7:50 till 8:50 this morning. Altogether, 590 persons were verified, while 33 males and 16 females were handed over to City Police for further verification for failing to produce their documents to establish their identities. And now let's have a short break.
Manipur da ihan hanba oina healthcare products ingi fangfam Dynamic Instruments Healthcare System. Registered office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road, Imphal 795001. Branch office Lalambung Makhong Rims Road near Syndicate Bank, Imphal 795001. Complete range star surgical instruments, hospital equipments, OT lights and tables, auto claps, rehabilitation aids, hospital consumables, healthcare products. diagnostic reagents, hearing aids, blood glucometer, digital BP monitor, air mattress, amadi nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari with terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidama contact tobirau 0385 2056092 amadi 917085776993. Ekoigi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Ngasimak lengsen birau Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System.
Loom Lang started with the idea of creating a one-stop destination for all the fashion-forward and stylish shabby people and to pique the curiosity of the rest. With the customer at heart, we deals with shoes, bags and all types of cut and show products for women. We allow and provide customized products, especially wedding and evening gowns. Email loomlang@gmail.com, mobile 99581498894, 7085205085, 7085270490.
Nanang nupa dubu mayamana yapote lobu sakharaba natro
Zakhrima
aduiti cha injang du loisanaba tawrodana
Bishon dubu tot pelorabadi injang giti thawraga lorabane adu ima dukan dagi bishon dubu machanduga leibiruragera
hoi hoi ima lobirurage bungo besholamaga masalamaga dapi
ne Kanglipagi spices industry gi production lobiron iramdong posu ere pojan ju yautre chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi basai try panji da puthoi ba production yamrajan ginger powder chili powder turmeric powder cinnamon powder mithi jira powder amadi hairibo loinana sa masal amadi machal powwa mayam manadaba packaging system so oraba Manipur da hanan boina spices industry da ISO 9001 2008 amadi ISO 9001-2015 phangmada natana trademark su registration tawraba KSI gi product tam sizinabiu
sina khwai dagi hena pharena bonina pire inni
ima KSI gi product sidi yam phabani.
Welcome back. Two passengers traveling in auto rickshaw were injured as a Tata truck bearing registration number MNC 05C0395 collided with the auto rickshaw. The road mishap occurred at North AOC in front of 2nd Manipur Rifles. The trucker fled the scene after the mishap. And now let's move on sports news. The 5th Afimka Cup 2019, organized by All Manipur Filmmaker and Producers Association, kicked off at Nesu Ground near the TV Tower at Parampa today. Afimka Cup is held under the sponsorship of Arun Enterprises on the theme Yes to Life, No to Drug. The opening ceremony was attended by President of Neruka Thangzam Arun Kumar, former Indian team captain P. Renedi, President of ISTV Network P. Prafullo, social worker Angtha Tombi, President of Nesu Konsam Narendrajit, President of Afimpa and Chairman of Film Forum S. Mangol Jao as the chief guest. Special guests, guest of honor, chief host and president respectively. In today's morning match of the ongoing 8th state level Village West football tournament, Hararau Trophy held at YMC ground of Hararau, SYC Yunam Kuno and Mangal FC ended in a draw with 1 score each from both sides. In another match, Awang Ngairangbam got a walkover as FC Huidrom failed to turn up for the match. BJP President Amit Shah, who was undergoing treatment for swine flu at All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi, was discharged early today after recovering from swine flu. The BJP leader was admitted to AIMS after complaints of chest congestion and breathing issue on last Wednesday. Altogether, 21 Bangladeshi nationals, including 2 women who were in detention in Assam for over 2 to 4 years, were deported to their country yesterday. After receiving approval from the Union Home Ministry, the 21 foreigners were sent back after being handed over by the Assam Border Police and BSF to border guards Bangladesh at a checkpost in Karimganj. The foreigners were detained for violation of the Passport Act. Assam police sources in Kasar said that they had illegally entered Assam through Tripura 2 years ago. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. No vendors in New Kangpokpi Market. No market sets in Imphal East. Anti-CAB protests roll on. Caribbean Hawaiian pest detected in state. Banks close door to entrepreneurs. The People's Chronicle. Student bodies spearhead protests against CAB. Southeast Asia Cultural Organization asks MLA's ministers to resign. Oh joy, Dr. Bijoy eyeing Congress ticket for Lok Sabha election. Assam Rifle seizes Shillong-bound drugs. Deputy Chief Minister stretches on personality development of students. Imphal Free Press. Shyam Kumar launches state-level Gangai Festival. MSDF appeals state government to draw attention on price rise issue of rice. Authorities allegedly demand tips from differently able during Go to Village program. Social development depends on human resource development, says Joy Kumar. Protest against CAB continues. The Morning Bell. Gangai symbolizes strong effort to preserve heritage, says Shyam Kumar. Northeast Chief Ministers want Citizenship Amendment Bill scrapped. Sit-in protest held against Citizenship Bill. Contraband drugs worth crores seized. Development depends on human resource development, says Deputy Chief Minister. Manipur Mail. Gangai celebrations begin. Silver Jubilee of RK Sanatombi School. Around 20 parties project unity at rally with an aim to ousting Modi.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Students boycott Republic Day. NESO calls on to Chief Minister in Biren, urges him condemn CA bill. Integrated checkpost still incomplete. Number of workers lesser than earlier days. And lawyers, human rights activists and journalists come together demanding release of Kishore Chandra from jail. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.